how to turn off microphone on your Android. So if you want to turn off microphone on Android, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your settings application. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of privacy. You need to tap on privacy, then just scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of microphone access. In some Android devices, you might find some different kinds of options, like you might not find it in your privacy options. So in that case, what you need to do is just simply go with your search under your settings and then you can search for microphone. After searching, you will find that option. So in my case, I'll just simply go with the privacy section and here you will find microphone access. So you just need to simply go and turn this off if you want to turn off your microphone on your Android. If this setting is off, microphone data may still be shared when you call an emergency number, but without the emergency number, it won't be turned on. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.